Hello and welcome buddies. In this video we are going to discuss about the comparison operator in Dart. So in the last video we have discussed about the assignment operator, arithmetic operator and others Dart topic. So in this video we will discuss about the comparison operator. What is comparison operator and how many type of comparison operator are available in Dart and why we should use comparison operator. So let's see one by one by example as well. So basically comparison operator is used to compare one value to the another value. These are the following 6 type of comparison operator are available in Dart. So what is the comparison operator? Comparison operator means this operator is used to compare one value to the another value. Just like first of all equal to operator. So equal to operator is used to compare the left value is equal to the right value or not. The second one is not equal to, it means the left value is not equal to the right value. In this condition we will use not equal to operator. The third one is greater than. So if we want to check the left value is greater than right value, then in this condition we will use greater than operator. Fourth, less than operator. If we want to compare the left value is less than right value, then in this condition we will use less than operator. Fifth number, greater than or equal to. It means in this condition, if we want to compare left value is greater than or equal to the right value, in this condition we will use greater than or equal to operator. Sixth number, less than or equal to. In this condition, if we want to compare the left value is less than or equal to the right value, so in this condition we will use sixth, less than or equal to operator. Let's see one by example as well. So these are the code which we have written in the last lecture. So in the bin folder we will create another file and the file name will be comparison operator. Dart, and let's copy this import line because this will be same for each and every Dart file. So we have created main function and let's create print and let's type the print statement. So this statement will show you a short message: welcome to the CTA Flutter tutorials. Yeah, so this is right now this is a Dart tutorial, but this is coming in the Flutter complete tutorial. So this tutorial is also mandatory if you learning Flutter from scratch. So let's see one by one comparison operator. So first was equal to the sign of this. So this is the sign of equal to operator. Let's create a two variable. A is equal to 5 and int b is equal to 5. So just suppose we have two variable and we want to check these both variables value are same or not. In this condition we can use equal to operator. So here something new will be introduced for you: if and else statement. So no need to worry about this is a conditional statements and I will explain about this in the next video. So for now just suppose this is the statement and we are writing just a statement. So we are use a double equal to b. What is this? This is a comparing a equal to b. It means this will compare from left to right. This both value are same or not. So if both value are same, then we will print yes, both value are same. Else, in the else statement we will write no, both value are not same. And let's run this. Yeah, we have in the bin folder and let's run the command dart comparison operator dot dart and let's see what is this. Like both value are same because a and b are same. Let's change the value 6 and let's see. No, both value are not same. So here we just use this equal to operator to compare the left value and right value are same or not. So just I'm going to write down the comment section, or sorry, a description about this operator. This operator are used to compare left value to the right value are same or not. Yeah, so this is equal to operator. Next one is not equal to, and the sign of this is this. So what is this? This is used to compare the left value and right value is not equal to, left value and right value are not equal to or not equal. So in this condition we will use not equal to operator. Let's comment it out first, and we have two variable a and b, and let's use this two variable or both variable in this example as well. If a not equal to b, what it means, like if a value 5 is not equal to 6, in this condition we will print yes, both value are not equal to. Else agar if this value is same, then else statement will be, this value will be same, this else statement will be execute. Yes, both value are same, and let's run this program and see. Yes, both value are not equal to means 5 and 6 are not equal to or not equal, then you can see here the print statement has been run. So let's write the description about this operator. These operator are used to compare if left and right value are not same. And the next one is greater than, and the symbol of this operator is this. So let's see what is this. This statement is, or this operator is used to compare if the left value is greater than the right value or not. So let's see example. Let's comment it out first. So just we have commented, and if a is greater than b, it means print yes, a is greater than b. Else print no, a is not greater than b. And let's run this program. You can see no, a is not greater than b. If we will change the value of a 6 and the value of b 5, and if we run this program, then here we can see yes, a is greater than b. So you have seen the greater than operator. So let's write down the description. This operator are used to compare left value are greater than right value or not. Let's see the next one. Less than, and the less than symbol is this. What is this? This less than operator are used to compare the left value is smaller than right value or not. Let's see by example. If a less than b, it means print yes, left a value are less than right b value. Else, and this is my mistake, else print no, left a value are not less than b. Okay, and let's clear the screen and run the program. no, left a value are not less than b. Why? Because a value is bigger than b. So we'll just do it again, 5a and b 6, and we will run this program, and here you can see, yes, left a value are less than b value. I have just made spelling mistake. So let's see another one, greater than equal to operator, and the sign of this is this. What is this? This operator is used to compare if left value is greater than or equal to the right value or not. Okay, so we will use this operator on that state, on that condition. So let's see by example. Let's comment it out first, and let's comment it out first. Yes, and let's do it. If a is greater than equal to b, then print, yes, a is greater than or equal to the b, else print no, a is not greater than or equal to the b. So let's run this. No, a is not greater than or equal to b, because right now a is smaller than b. So let's use 6 and here 5, and let's, yes, a is, because right now a is greater than b. Let's put the same value in the both variable, and let's see the new magic. Yes, a is greater than or equal to b. What this means, like a is, this condition is used if a is greater than b or a is equal to b. So if both statement or both statement are right, then this operator will return you true, else it will return false, and in this condition else statement will execute, and if it will return true, then the if condition will be run. So these are the greater than, equal to. Let's comment it out and let's see next. First of all, let's write the description. This operator is check if left value is greater than or equal to the right value. Let's see next one, less than equal to, and the symbol is this. Let's see what is this. This statement is just opposite of greater than equal to the statement. This statement will check left value is less than or equal to the right value or not. So let's just copy these things and just paste it here, and let's comment it out and just change the operator symbol, and let's run this program. So here you can say, yes, a is greater than or equal to b. Why? Because a and value, right now a and b value are same, but a and b value are same. So this statement will check either a is less than or a equal to b. If both conditions are true, if any one condition will be true, then this operator will return you true, and yes, this statement has been executed. Let's see, I think this is the last one. Yeah, not equal to, we have discussed about the equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. So let's write down the description, because we have done the comparison operator. So this operator is used to check left value are less than or equal to the right value or not. So this is simple, and I think this is done. If you have any query, then please write down the comment. I'll resolve your query as well. And if you need anything, or if you need any topic, if you want to discuss during this whole video, then comment it out. I will try to make the video on that topic as well. So let's meet in the next video with the next topic.